welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna play Play-Doh. Okay, and this is the rolling pin. I don't.
Hey, I'm not done.
Hey, I'm not. Right, wait. I'm gonna fix it. Kasi why did you break it? Why did you break it? We just got it. Okay, guys, don't judge us with our ears.
I wanna make a sushi. I wanna make a sushi wall.
I'm using it. I'm gonna make a gingerbread and a Christmas tree all together, and one of them is gonna be infinite. Okay, guys, wait lang. I mixed this with red and blue, and now it became purple. This is the color of it. I told you, it's not our channel! And we're gonna place the gingerbread. Hey, I'm not done with it. Now we're gonna remove that.
I need to use this, sorry.
Hey,
I'm not done yet.
hey, wait lang. I'm not yet done with it. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a complete argue, but I'm just gonna use this.
If you use that.
Look, it's so much easier. Look, and then you just remove it.
Oh yeah, I'll just use that.
No!
I'll just grab my own cup. I got my own cup. I just got my own cup.
Okay.
Easy. It's like a sushi now. Now I just gotta use this.
Hey.
Never mind.
Next, last one. It's the last one. What you guys think? What will it be? It will be a unicorn. Wait, I'm gonna do this as a bow first.
Oh no, the fish! Just gotta use some scissors then.
Sikat mahal, dua ang kinang-kinahe, harang silane, ang masyuharang kinangye.
There we go!
Ang kinang-kinahe, harang silane, ay masyuharang. Ang masyuharang kinangye, dua ang kinang-kinahe, harang silane.
The last one I need is a Christmas tree. Gotta make
Okay,
it
I'm
super
done. I'm done with the unicorn. Let's go and see what it looks like. Let's push this and then. Let's open it. Yay! The unicorn! Now let's ruin the gingerbread and this. Bye-bye, Christmas tree. Bye-bye, gingerbread.
Bye-bye, unicorn.
Stop! Is it your channel? Huh? Bye. Bye, gingerbread. These are my Now, we're gonna put this in the mold of unicorn.
Look.
Rylan, stop making noise.
I just make a gingerbread.
Stop showing your things to the camera. If it's your channel, then you can show everything in your camera. Okay, I'm almost done with the unicorn. Put this here. It doesn't have any more filling. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's okay. It's good, but I'll just remove this. It's working. Okay. Bye, unicorn 1. Smash. Bye, unicorn 2.
Hit the little butterfly and now the gingerbread.
Why are you showing everything in the camera? Okay, the next one is the butterfly.
I just have a little bit of
Oh!
I just have a little bit of joy.
Okay, guys. Let me show you what icing is real. Icing
I'll just make an infinite loop. I'll just make an infinite.
You're gonna make
choice.
infinite?
Yes. And then I'll destroy it. Actually, I'm not gonna make it infinite. Look at that. I made one.
It's kind of there. Can you help me? Help me. If you keep on pausing it, you're gonna keep on exiting the videos. That's why it's not. Dua. Ang kinang-kinang arasiganin.
He died. I'm gonna make a C next.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna cut this.
I made a C.
Yeah, I'm gonna make something. Riley! I'm not done with it. You already have a knife. It's already next to you. Why are you switching? Okay, now this isn't long enough.
I'll just put
Mine
the
is
knife.
taller than yours. That's my scissors, Rylan. Hi, Ken. Hey.
Today we're going to try experimenting with Lucky Blocks. Take a look at all these Lucky Blocks here. If you break them open, either something really good or something really bad will happen. Depending on the situation, you might even get something deadly dangerous. Yep. Yeah, it is. Well, today we'll be using Lucky Blocks for something really special. We're competing in a Lucky Block race. Let's go take a look at the course.
Okay, guys, what's this?
You and I are going to be racing on. It's pretty long, but here's the catch. We can only break one Lucky Block at a time. There's our goal over there. That's far. That's the rules. If you die 3 times, that means you're out of the game. 3 strikes and you're out.
Sounds fun, but isn't it too easy?
Not really. There are a lot of Lucky Blocks out there for us to get through. Between the two of us, there are 100 Lucky Blocks. With this many Lucky Blocks, there's almost a 100%
Yay!
I need these scissors.
Are you showing it to the camera again? Why are you showing everything to the camera? Is it your channel? Huh?
Okay, Mikey, let's get right to it. Oh, Mikey's all ready to go. I hope you don't start with bad luck.
I just need a small
Kind of. Oh my gosh, that is so bad. When somebody is there, they're gonna eat clay.
Watch out, Mikey. I think it's just a bunch of black smoke. I guess it was nothing then. My turn.
It's a cookie.
Whoa, it's spawned items. Nice. Well. Some prismarines. I got a couple other items too. Nice. I'm not waiting. Go for it. 3, 2, 1. Stew. That's great. Fines. These dispensers are droppers. This is good. Parkour. Let's do it.
Ah, it's here. Dua ang kinang-kinang harap sa dami.
I think you should go.
Dua ang kinang-kinang harap sa dami.
My turn.
Masyur harap kinang dua ang kinang-kinang harap sa dami.
Let's keep going.
Butterfly is perfect. Next, we're gonna do a gingerbread.
Now that's bad luck. It looks fishy. I should break the other one too. It's gonna be guaranteed good luck. Do it. I punched him. Sorry. Watch out, Mikey. What? Hey! Whoa, hang on. Oh, Mikey. No way. I lost a life. I wasn't even in my lane.
Okay, I'm getting it.
I got some cookies. I got 2 cookies.
I'm telling you again. How many times do I have to tell you? Is this your time? Is this your channel?
I think that maybe the zombie wasn't hostile. Was he the good luck?
Who would have expected that?
Oh well, Mikey. You died once, which means you only have 2 lives left. I still have all 3. It's my turn. Let's go.
Gingerbread. This is actually not lame. This is lame. Let's do the ice.
I don't know what it is, but it's great.
I don't know either. Was that good luck or bad luck? Oh well, my turn. Oh,
3, 2, 1.
oh, nice.
More armor. Now I've got full armor.
Whoa, awesome. My turn. A chest.
I wonder what's inside. Oh, that's
So lucky. Can I have a golden apple too? Thank you. I'll just take one. Alright, that's great. I've also got some items to share. Right. If you're in danger and just want to get away, for sure.
Yeah.
Throw in more. But you'll take a bit of damage, so be careful.
No kidding. I'm gonna save my last turn. Is this a pyramid?
It looks like I've got 3 more blocks now. Should I get all of them? Here goes. Oh, it happened again.
Again?
Wow.
It's fine. Again?
Whoa.
This one's even worse.
This is a big lucky block. Let's see.
Go back to your seat.
What good fortune! Wow, there's so much valuable loot. But hold on, there's still 2 blocks left. You take right, I take left.
Huh? But they're in your lane.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Oh, nice, Mikey. Take it.
Really?
What is it? It looks powerful.
It's a hero sword.
Okay, did
I
it.
think you should have it though.
What? Are you serious? Wow. The hero's
Bye bye, butterfly. I'll meet you again.
Check it out.
TNT. That's good luck. All right, here I go. I'm pretty sure this is the last lucky block in the first section of our race. Hang on. That's a
Ayan, kasi.
Mikey, we have to run. Whoa, close one.
My turn.
Mikey, that
I
rabbit
just want to get this up. I want
Rylan.
just could take either of us out in a single hit. We took care of it, though. Go ahead.
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. That's a lot of droppers. That means we cleared the zone.
I have 3 lives left.
Now,
You lost one of yours, so that means you only have 2.
That's true.
I think we can win, so let's do our best. Should I go now?
Rylan, stop.
Wow. Experience.
That was pretty lucky, wasn't it? You got so much experience.
My turn.
You should probably break your block now, Mikey.
Huh? What's this? A dam?
What's up with the smoke?
Well,
Secret time.
oh, pumpkins.
Lots of pumpkins.
My turn. This again.
That again.
This again.
One block is lucky, the other isn't. That's kind of scary.
I'm gonna choose the right one.
Make sure you run away, Mikey.
3, 2, 1. What the heck? Instant death?
This is so bad. Hang on.
Use the hero sword.
Hero sword. I have an idea. I'll eat the enchanted golden apple before I fight.
I'll stay back.
Come on, hero sword.
I'm down 2 lives. Go get him.
Oh, I did it. That was close. Oh, wait a sec. There's more now. That was a super unlucky block, Mikey.
Okay, now.
Stop it.
You got it, JJ. I can't really do anything though. Good job.
Oh, I fell down.
JJ,
1 sec. I'm doing it.
it's pushing you.
It's fine.
I have the weapons.
Leave it to me. I got one. There's too many. I'm gonna blow them all up. Okay. No way.
They're so small.
There's definitely too many of them. It might be better to ignore them and move on. Let's go ahead.
Now, gingerbread.
They're awful.
Wait,
Just
I'm
ignore
gonna
them.
do
Only fight them if they try and attack you first. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. This is what you need to look right.
That one's totally
Can I?
break it.
I'm rolling.
Good luck.
Awesome.
I have gingerbread.
One from the side.
I'm making gingerbread pudding.
Yours too.
Look. Oh, I got one.
Make sure you pick a good one.
If I choose the wrong block,
Need to pick wisely.
I choose the left.
I've already lost 2 of my lives.
Stay back, Mikey. One more life and you're out. That means you'll be stuck in observation mode. I'll make the right choice. 3, 2, 1.
JJ, all of you. Blow out. Nice save.
Close one. Too close.
Come on.
How should I do this? I think I'll need a pickaxe to get out.
TNT.
TNT can work, but only use one block, Mikey.
I can't light it.
Take this. Here. Use it to activate the TNT.
I guess we should. I'm working so hard at this.
Am I far enough away?
Yeah, that's good.
Ready?
Yep. Use the TNT to set me free, Mikey.
Did I break the pressure plate?
I think you should stop watching JJ and Mikey. Is that a good idea?
This is for your own good.
Run, Mikey.
Because the camera hears it.
Whoa. Close one. That
They
was
all
maybe
hear
a lucky block, so the other one should be good. I'm gonna break it now.
because they all hear it.
Sponges are useful. I should hang on to it.
I think that's a good idea.
Keeping it for now. Your turn, Mikey.
I've already lost 2 lives, so I only have 1 more chance.
Be careful, Mikey.
Oh, hell. It's pretty, but what does it do?
I'm not sure, but I guess it's okay. There. Oh, a beacon.
You can have your cup back.
Okay.
I found mine.
I think you should stop watching JJ and Mikey. I think that's a good idea.
I don't like it.
Yes, I think it's a good idea.
Oh, I guess it's
Not
time for some
me.
parkour. Nice, Mikey. Wow. This wall is pretty tough.
For me, it felt pretty easy.
Impressive. All right.
Go, go, go.
Aw.
Go, go, go.
How did you do this?
I did it again.
You don't have to. I'll just leave a block here. Okay.
I already cleared it.
Sure. All right. Here we go.
I got the cookie cutter.
Hang on. You can keep this. I don't think we'll need it. I'll take the axe.
I'll keep it. Thank you. I did it.
Hang on.
Oh no, my little health.
Run, Mikey.
I only have 1 life left.
Just get out of here.
I'm running away. What should I do?
Lucky sword. Keep running.
Look out!
Let's try to avoid it. Keep going. There's no way we'll be able to beat a wither right now.
Come on. Go, go.
Bring one.
Okay.
A chest.
Oh wow, a pickaxe.
Hang on to it, Mikey. And grab those golden apples, too. The wither. I think it decided to chase those bats instead of us.
I have a lucky bolt with no arrows.
Can you still fire it?
Oh, fish.
Hang on. Wait a sec. I found a hero's potion.
Nice.
The hero's potion is the ultimate potion. I'll keep this in case we need it down the road. We can use it if we get in a pinch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a lot of stuff.
Too much. I'm switching.
Oh, did you find all that?
Iron.
Oh, sweet.
There. Okay.
I'm still wearing my leather armor from the start of the game. Oh well, whatever. Here I go. Whoa!
Again?
I want to choose the wrong block. Careful, Mikey, you're really close.
Great.
You only have 1 more life. A chest, a big axe.
Now it's time for the
Also
incident.
looking mine. Another chest.
Awesome.
A helmet. Okay, so now I have a helmet on. Cool.
Bye, Infinite. Bye, Gingerbread.
Okay, let's go.
Where is
Oh,
she?
Mikey, run away!
This tree. This tree is broken.
How much health do you have? Eat one of these enchanted golden apples. Take my hero's potion too. Drink it if you need it.
Thank you. Can I drink it now?
Go for it.
Down the hatch. Awesome.
I'm gonna make a fish.
My turn now.
What's that?
Wow, that's a lot of chickens. Go, Mikey.
All right.
Oh, a hero villager. Wow, he trades swords for diamonds. I already have a hero sword. Take these and buy one for yourself.
But I just got this sword, JJ.
Oh, right, the lucky sword.
Here we go.
Oh,
Check it out. You can come take one.
snack time, sweet.
Yummy.
Yes, all right. Oh,
Ah.
what the?
make it.
Definitely on fire. Use a recovery item if you come across any. 3, 2, 1. Is that a witch?
Witch! Take her down!
Hold on.
Get it!
Take that. Yes, I get it. Your turn now.
Oh, for a stick! One more. A hero villager.
Nice.
I want this.
What is it?
I got a hero's helmet.
A hero's helmet.
You take it.
No, you need it. You only have 1 life left.
It's so strong.
Yeah. Protection, fire protection, respiration.
Nice.
You hang on to it, Mikey. Respiration can be super useful sometimes. Okay, ready to go.
We're so close to the goal. I only have 1 life left.
Cool. I think we can finish this thing.
Wow, awesome.
Ah, a golden apple. Eat it, Mikey.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
Another fishy. Bye bye fishy.
Okay,
I want to win.
what's next?
Baby, I want chicken.
What'll this hero villager give us? A shovel.
Hey, that's
Still
mine.
want it off of it, but I don't know how or why we're gonna need it. Let's
Yours is down there.
That's not mine. The coffee was mine.
I'm making this as sushi.
yes.
Maybe even more.
There.
I'm being attacked.
Oh, that was a close one. We're okay. Come on, it's just a bunch of regular items.
It's hero's fishing rod.
What? Let's see if we can catch something, Mikey.
Let's play.
I'll just block this off.
Let's play Squid Game.
It's
Rylan.
mine. It's not pretty.
How's it so pretty? We just got the Rylan. I was using it.
Alright, Spotcha. I already have enough iron tools.
My turn.
Easy. Ano ba yan?
Mikey Turtle.
I feel like I can actually win this thing.
Easy, easy. Let me
The
see.
assignment is near the level since we're so close to the goal.
Are you gonna keep on doing that?
Let's do this.
And then make my phone fall?
Wait, is that horse armor? No! Run, Mikey, run! Quick, hey,
No.
breaking blocks.
Let's go apologize the villagers.
Now it's a small Christmas tree. Even smaller Christmas tree. A smaller Christmas tree. Smallest Christmas tree. Cute Christmas tree. A cute Christmas tree. Dead Christmas tree.
Are you okay?
The winner is on me.
Run away!
Oh no!
I need to hurry and catch up to Mikey. The winner took out Mikey!
That means I'm out, right?
Mikey.
Observation mode.
Yeah, you're in observation mode. It's fine. I can still finish for the both of us. Alright, I have 2 lives left. So if I try my best, I think I'll be able to win this with me and Mikey. Retrieve the iron equipment.
Big Christmas tree.
Got your items?
Real Christmas tree. Toy Christmas tree.
I gotta run. One sec.
Medium Christmas tree.
Let's see.
Macy, how do you open this?
It fell down.
Wait, what? Hang on! No, no!
A small Christmas tree. Smallest Christmas tree.
Oh shit, it turned out to be poison.
Cutest Christmas tree. Dead Christmas tree. Bleh.
I'll try.
You wanna watch it?
Gingerbread.
Yeah.
Got it.
at this trick. Mommy, can I have that? Mommy, look at this. Look at this trick. Look at this
Hindi
trick.
na open tong isa. Hindi na open yan.
Mommy, look. Mommy, look
Hindi
at.
na open yan.
Mommy,
Isa
look at
lang.
this trick. Look at this trick.
Balik natin dito.
Look at this trick.
It's the... No, don't put it inside. It's just the roller, di ba?
Now I can jump way higher.
For rolling to eh. Oh, ganun oh.
The wither won't be able to hurt me.
Oh, for rolling. Oh.
Mommy, look at this. Look at this.
Throw this.
Mommy, look at this.
Then I'm safe. Now that I'm past the fence, I don't think the wither can actually attack
Ito
me.
pa oh, meron pa dito oh.
I only have 2 hearts left.
Oh, you get this oh.
I gotta keep going.
Display oh.
More ender pearls. Don't need it.
Ayun oh, display oh.
Oh,
Display
it's
in the
something
table
fantastic.
oh.
I can
Open
with this potion.
Mommy, look, petals.
Add it to your play oh.
Petals.
Oh, ito oh, may green oh. Ito ano ko.
That's so green. This is so cold now.
Oh, yan oh. Kuhanin mo pa to oh. You can
Thank
mix
you.
it.
This is no, thank you. I'm gonna
Okay, guys,
use it for
we're gonna play Minecraft in like 2 minutes, and we are just gonna do to the Minecraft vids and the Roblox vids. You're not almost 100. You're almost
Last
10.
one. Whoa, we did it.
You're almost
We made
10
it to the
subscribers.
last lucky
I'm almost to
As long as I don't die here,
200.
which I probably won't,
I'm almost
then we win the
200.
game. Let's finish it. Now,
What's in there?
let's go. Oh,
That was amazing!
What's that?
it was pumpkin pie.
Delicious!
All right, we're done.
I want to go again! Come on,
Because
I want
Christmas
to do
tree.
it again too!
Dad's Christmas tree!
We'll have lots more chances for you to finish too, like you.
Dad's Christmas tree!
AJ, what a win!
We both would have made it if it weren't for that wither.
Dad's
Oh well.
Christmas tree.
Oh well.
In the end, I just barely
What?
finished the lucky block race. Next time, let's do it together. I broke over 100 lucky blocks with only 3 lives and made it to the very end. Hopefully, you had as much fun watching this as me and Mikey had playing it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe.
Dead
Thank you.
Christmas.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye!
After I did it. I finished the
If you
Christmas
enjoyed
tree.
today's adventure,
No,
make
you
sure
have to do
like
it like
and
this.
subscribe.
Not
Plus,
like that. You have to do it like
Twitter,
this.
Instagram,
Make it circle.
Whenever you want, with the links in
Make
the corner.
everything
For
circle.
watching!
Make everything circle.
Okay.
Put everything like a circle. And then we will take a molder, and then we do this. But it has to still be like this. Get a molder. Get a molder. And then place it down. And then place it down.
Fish. I guess they escaped. Aw.
And then place it down.
After
And then push it downwards. And then you get
Christmas tree.
a full Christmas tree.
Just like what I did with the fish. Look there. I wanna go. Give me some.
This is our brand new pool area. Yeah. Plus, an infinite water source.
I don't wanna make a Christmas tree.
Finally complete. Yeah, we made critical recovery from when we lost all of our water. How about we plant some watermelons? Planting watermelon. Watermelon smell. Let's get back to this.
Yeah.
Yes, it's finally upgraded. I'm so excited. I wonder what's coming. We just finished the water tank. We even made a pool. Now we're the ultimate fish for anything ever appears, and we can catch and save it. Oh, and there's also this river. 7, 6, 5, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And how is showing now?
Whoa. It looks like you found some mossy cobblestone. We can build something fancy. Wow, the building looks a lot older with moss on it. Awesome.
Mommy, I made a Christmas tree by myself.
It's not a jungle tree.
Now I'm gonna make a Christmas tree by myself. Or I can make cocoa melon. Can I make cocoa melon? Let's go and make cocoa melon.
After I made
Rylan, I'm trying to make something. I'm trying to concentrate.
Wow, it's on your shoulder, Mike. Okay, I'll try feeding it a whole bunch.
We go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. It's a Vex.
a Vex.
You got it.
Dad, put the ticket.
You got to go, go, go.
Okay, let's take a look inside. Open it.
You got to go, go.
Here's the thing about cookies. You have to plant it in a jungle.
It's sexy. Is it sexy? Kind of sexy. It's so sexy. My Play-Doh is so sexy. And now it's time for ladybug.
Unfortunately, restaurants can't be taken. You're right. They can just roam free.
I need a fish.
No, you don't.
And another fish. I need these two fish.
You drop the go, go, go. Okay, now it's time to smash it. You pop the go, go, go. Gianni, you don't clap. As long as you.
Oh no!
Want you, want you fuck with ya. Gianni, you pop the go, go, go. You pop the go, go, go. Okay guys, if you guys are ready, get in this toilet. You're gonna take a little dump. So the three, they're just actually gonna take a little dump. So yeah, don't mind us doing. Did you just take a dump? No, you just took a dump. I'm just going to be playing with Play-Doh. I'm gonna keep on playing Play-Doh. Bruh. Oh no.
Five.
Okay, you done? Ew. Okay, I'm playing with it. Playing with your dumb bite.
Dear parents, there's nothing we can do about it.
She only don't fast. You wanna see her? Here's this. To the diamond.
We need the little berry thing. Mikey, there's something I want to share with you. My cocoa beans are finished growing. Look.
Look, I made a little thing.
We have some more cocoa beans. Let's try them. They go right on the tree. All right. Okay. That's my guess. Check it out. A chest. What you got? Fine. Let's renovate our house. All right.
Actually, okay guys, well that's the end of the day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. We are going to just like go swimming, and we're gonna go to the cinema. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys want to see my videos, click like and subscribe to my channel, please. See you tomorrow. Peace.